Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Ford F150 headlights. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and your new headlight assembly. Make sure your truck is parked on a level surface and the engine is completely off for safety. Then, open the hood to gain access to the headlight housing from the engine compartment. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. Once prepared, you'll need to remove the old headlight. Locate the 2 or 3 retaining bolts that hold the assembly in place, usually accessible from the top and side. Use your ratchet and socket to carefully remove these bolts. Gently pull the headlight assembly straight forward to release it from any alignment pins or clips. Finally, disconnect the main electrical connector and any individual bulbs from the old unit. Now it's time to install your new headlight. First, connect the main electrical harness to the back of the new headlight assembly, ensuring a secure fit. Carefully align the new headlight with the mounting points and guide pins on your truck. Gently push the assembly firmly into place until it seats properly. Then, reinstall the 2 or 3 retaining bolts you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not excessively. With the new headlight installed, perform some final checks. Turn on your vehicle and test the low beams, high beams, and turn signals to ensure everything is working correctly. If needed, adjust the headlight beam aim using the adjustment screws, typically found on the back or top of the housing. Finally, close your hood securely and put away all your tools. You've successfully changed your headlight.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.